Good afternoon to our lovely students. As we know that the running topic is a triumph of surgery. And in first class I have discussed the beginning part of a triumph of surgery. And we have already studied the condition of little dog Tricky, a small dog Tricky, and his owner, Mistress Pumphrey, and the doctor characters, surgeon characters, and known as veterinary doctor. He was a narrator. He is a narrator of this story. We have already known it in beginning class. Today I shall discuss in details from page number 2, and the line will be I watched. So let us start. I watched their progress with growing concern. Tricky was tottering along in his little tweed coat. He had a whole wardrobe of these coats for the cold weather and raincoat for the wet days. He struggled on, drooping in his harshness. I thought it wouldn't be long before I heard from Mrs. Pumphrey. I watched their progress with growing concern. मैंने देखा कि वह कुछ ज़्यादा ही बीमार होते जा रहा है. Tricky was tottering along in his little tweed coat. वह जो है सो लिटिल कोट के साथ जो है टॉटरिंग कर रहा था. He had a whole wardrobe of this coat for the cold weather. जो उसने जो है सो कोल्ड वेदर में यूज करने के लिए रखा हुआ था. एंड अ रेन कोट फॉर द वेट डेज, और रेन कोट जो था वो वेट डेज के लिए था. ही स्ट्रगल ऑन ड्रूपिंग इन हिज हार्शनेस. I thought it would not be long before I heard from Mrs. Pumphrey. Mrs. Pumphrey के द्वारा ऐसा कुछ इससे पहले नहीं मैंने सुना था. The expected call came within a few days. This was the thought of the doctor, the narrator. He was judging, he was analyzing about the bad condition of little dog. But Mrs. Pumphrey didn't keep this kind of statement, this kind of information to the doctor, to the narrator. But on the other hand, the expected call came within a few days. Mrs. Pumphrey was distraught. Tricky would eat nothing. But he was expected, the narrator was expecting after some days, in a few days, within a few days, call will come. It's certain, because the condition of the dog was not good. Mrs. Pumphrey was distraught. Tricky would eat nothing. Distraught means sad. Mrs. Pumphrey जो है सो बहुत ही दुखी थी. She was very very sad, worried. Tricky would eat nothing. Tricky कुछ भी नहीं खा रहा था. Refused even his favorite dishes, and besides, उसके फेवरेट डिश भी अगर उसे दिया जाता था फिर भी वह नहीं खाता था. He had bouts of vomiting. उसे उल्टियाँ भी हो रही थी. He spent all his time lying on a rug panting, didn't want to go for walks. The condition was too bad of Tricky because he had bouts of vomiting. He spent his time lying on rug, panting, did not want to go for walk. मतलब ये सब काम उसने करना छोड़ दिया था. Didn't want to do anything. I had made my plans in advance. The only way was to get Tricky out of the house for a period. I suggested that he be hospitalized for about a fortnight to be kept under observation. The doctor, the narrator, began to think about Tricky because he had already made the plans in advance. The only way was to get Tricky out of house for a period. कि ट्रिकी को ठीक करने कुछ दिन के लिए घर से बाहर आप निकाल दो. I suggested that he be hospitalized for about a fortnight to be kept under observation. मैंने सलाह दिया, मैंने अपना विचार प्रकट किया. I suggest that he be hospitalized, कि उसे आप हॉस्पिटल में भर्ती कर दो, हॉस्पिटलाइज कर दो. for about a fortnight, कब तक के लिए? fortnight के लिए. to be kept under observation, कि वह निगरानी में रहेगा कि उसकी कंडीशन स्थिर हैं या फिर खराब होते जा रहे हैं. which type of condition, which type of bad moment and bad patches Tricky was suffering and Tricky was passing. Tricky was passing through very, very critical problem. The poor lady almost swooned. She was sure he would pine and die if he did not see her every day. The poor lady became very, very furious and surprised. She was sure he would pine and die. She feels if Tricky was not in my house, then the mistress, then the Pumphrey would be in shock and would be die if he did not see her every day. अगर उसने उसे प्रत्येक दिन नहीं देखा तो वो तो मर जाएगी. And what does it mean? This line refers to more loving, more affection. But I took a firm line. Tricky was very ill and this was the only way to save him. This is the narrated statement. But I took a firm line. Tricky was very ill. मैंने तुरंत ही जो है सो अपने बात को आगे बढ़ाते हुए कहा. नैरेटर इज टेलिंग कि ट्रिकी की कंडीशन जो है सो बहुत ख़राब है, वह बहुत ज़्यादा बीमार है. ही वॉज एंड दिस वॉज द ओनली वे टू सेव हिम. और सिर्फ यही रास्ता है उससे बचाने का. कौन सा रास्ता? हॉस्पिटल में भर्ती कर दो. इनफैक्ट आई थॉट इट बेस्ट टू टेक हिम विदाउट डिले एंड फॉलोड बाय Mrs. Pumphrey's wailings, I marched out to the car carrying the little dog wrapped in a blanket. I thought it best to take him without delay. मेरी समझ से, मेरे विचार से यह सबसे बढ़िया होगा कि बिना डिले किए हुए इसे यहाँ से ले जाओ. I marched out to the car carrying the little dog wrapped in a blanket. और कुत्ते को ब्लैंकेट, ब्लैंकेट मीन्स कंबल होता है, कंबल में लपेट करके और फिर कार के तरफ जो है सो चल दिए. द इंटायर स्टाफ वाज राउज्ड एंड मेड्स rushed in and out bringing his day bed. his night bed, favorite cushions, toys and rubber rings, breakfast ball, lunch balls, supper ball, realizing that my car would never hold all the stuff. I started to drive away. As I moved off, Mrs. Pumphrey, with a despairing cry, threw an armful of the little coats through the window. I looked in the mirror before I turned the corner of the drive. Everybody was in tears. The entire staff, जितने भी स्टाफ थे, was roused and mates rushed in and out, bringing his day bed. सब जो है सो उसके बिस्तर लाने में जो है सो तल्लीन थे, लगे हुए थे. His night bed, फेवरेट कशंस, सब ट्रिकी का सामान है. टॉयज एंड रबर रिंग्स, ब्रेकफास्ट बॉल, लंच बॉल, सपर बॉल, रात का भोजन, दिन का भोजन, ब्रेकफास्ट के लिए, इन सारे चीज़ के लिए जो है सो अलग अलग बॉल थे. बॉल मीन्स कटोरी. Realizing that my car would never hold all the stuff, I started to drive away. As I moved off, और मैं ये महसूस कर रहा था कि इसे जल्दी से जल्दी लेकर के हमें चल देना है. I started to drive away, और मैं वहाँ से चल भी दिया. As I moved off, Mrs. Pumphrey with a despairing cry. जैसे ही मेरी कार वहाँ से चली तो ट्रिकी का जो ऑनर थी मिसेस पम्फ्री, वह जो है सो रोने लगी. डिस्पेयरिंग क्राई थ्रू एन आर्मफुल ऑफ द लिटिल कोट्स थ्रू द विंडो. वो अपने हाथ को जो है सो विंडो में, कार के विंडो में जो है सो बढ़ाने लगी. आई लुक्ड इन द मिरर बिफोर आई टर्न द कॉर्नर ऑफ द ड्राइव. मैं जो है सो कहाँ देखा इस काम को पम्फ्री के द्वारा करते हुए? अपने मिरर में. जो गाड़ी जो होते हैं, जो कार हैं, उसमें मिरर लगे होते हैं. उस मिरर से नरेटर ने देखा. एवरीबडी वॉज इन टीयर्स, कि सब लोग जो थे सो सब लोगों के आँख में आंसू थे और सब लोग दुखी थे. Out on the road, I glanced down at the pathetic little animals gasping on the seat by my side. I patted the head and Tricky made a brave effort to wag his tail. जैसे ही रोड पर मैं आया, गाड़ी रोड पर आई, I glanced down at the pathetic little animal gasping on the seat by my side. वह छोटा सा जानवर जो मेरे बगल में बैठा हुआ था, वह जो है सो बिल्कुल पैथेटिक लिटिल एनिमल गास्पिंग फॉर्म में था. आई पैटेड द हेड, उसके सर को थपथपाया. एंड ट्रिकी मेड अ ब्रेव एफर्ट टू वैग हिज टेल. उसने जो है सो बहादुरी से फिर उसका जवाब दिया. किस तरह से? पूंछ हिलाते हुए. वर ओल्ड लैड, आई सेड, यू हैव नॉट अ किक इन यू, बट आई थिंक आई नो अ क्योर फॉर यू. आई सेड, मैं जानता हूँ, दिस वन द स्टेटमेंट ऑफ नरेटर, कि मैं जानता हूँ. यू हैव नॉट अ किक, कि तुम किक नहीं मार सकते. बिकॉज यू आर टू वीक, यू आर टू इल. बट आई थिंक आई नो अ क्योर फॉर यू. मुझे पता है, यह मैं जानता हूँ कि तुम्हारा इलाज या तुमको मैं ठीक कैसे करूँगा. So this was the story of the day and extracted from A Triumph of Surgery, and I have already discussed about the meaning of Triumph of Surgery. Triumph means victory and surgery already related from the curing point, and the treatment, that means related from hospitals. So it's very important for all of us, and it's very important for all of us. Take care yourself and take care to the others also, because it will help you more and more in society, especially the person who is loving from the animals, who loves much the animals. Imagine which kind of facts, which kind of circumstances, which kind of condition they have to face. So finally, through the story, through the nature of the Pumphrey, Speaker, Tricky, and the gardener, we can learn something from the story, but especially only the main character is here Speaker and Tricky and Pumphrey. These three characters are very, very important, and in which circumstances they had to face the problem, how they managed. All of the factor depends on them, but I mean to say they have a lot of courage and they have a lot of positive attitudes. So I mean to say always you should maintain the part of positive attitudes, and you will able to estimate and concentrate the topic very nicely, and you can express it very well. Okay, thanks.